Hello, my poppets. I'm so glad you could join me today. We're going to be reading a special story today by Nichola about her dog Marley. She writes lots of stories about Marley and her and their adventures that they get up to together. This one today is called Marley the Dreamer. I hope you enjoy it. Marley the Dreamer by Nichola. Marley dreamed of a life beyond the kennel. She dreamed of having a family who loved her beyond a window. Like every other dog, the small Shorkie wanted to be happy. She wanted to be raised by a loving family. Marley, the adorable Shorkie, is a mixed breed between Shih Tzu and Yorkie. Marley would love to share her story with the world. She wants to tell the world how her new family changed her entire life. Marley never expected to find love in such an abundance. Finding this caring family was beyond her sleepy thoughts. Meeting the perfect owners, Mommy and Grandpa, was Marley's first dream come true. Marley wants to tell the tale of how she ventures around towns with Mommy and Grandpa. "Come on in," Marley barks in a doggy language as she wags her tail with excitement. She invites each of you into her life and her home. "Please read my story. It's heartwarming," Marley would say if she could speak. So, let us venture into Marley's world. Marley plays with the neighbors. She is not afraid of larger dogs. Marley loves her doggy friends, Bear, Angus, and Dottie. Marley likes to show off in front of them. If Mommy walks past Bear's house, Marley yanks and pulls the leash, nearly dragging Mommy toward the house. Marley then runs around in circles around Bear. She is excited to see him. But Marley has one special friend that she has puppy love for, and he is a handsome little fellow. They hope one day they will create a story of their own. When Nichola received Marley, she was instructed by the trainer to treat Marley as if she was a baby. The trainer warned Nichola that Marley would test the limits, so she, as Marley's mommy, would have to be firm. However, just like any parent, never yell at the small Shorkie, nor associate her name with anything bad. Marley loves her mommy with all her doggy heart. Mommy teaches Marley everything. Marley loves how Mommy teaches her how to become a Shorkie with class. Mommy teaches Marley how to have fun and when to set boundaries. Marley gets overly excited when Mommy enters the room. Mommy picks up the small Shorkie because Mommy's excited as well. Marley climbs up onto Mommy's neck. She then runs around it in circles. Mommy smiles and laughs. She has never seen or experienced anything like that before. Mommy cradles Marley's small body in her arms. Marley loves to cuddle. She rests her furry head under Mommy's chin. Mommy kisses on the small Shorkie's ears and neck. She loves laying on Mommy's shoulder. Mommy plays tag with Marley. They run around the bed or the living room table. Mommy suddenly says, "Stop!" Marley stops. Her tail wags. Marley runs again and Mommy says, "Stop!" again. She stops and wags her tail with excitement. Marley is Mommy's baby. She goes to the stores with Mommy, However, she's afraid. She hides under Mommy's car seat. Mommy assures her that there is nothing to be afraid of. She would always keep her safe. Mommy has no privacy. The little shorkie follows her into the bathroom. Marley sits on the floor next to Mommy. Marley loves sitting with Grandpa in his favorite chair. She sits in his lap. They watch TV together. Marley is very protective of Grandpa. The shorkie stands between Grandpa and anyone who comes too close to him. Grandpa reciprocates the same protection. He hugs small Marley in his arms and keeps her protected from the huge trucks. He then repeats his daughter's words, "I will protect you." He teaches her to find the right gentleman. Find a mate who treats you with kindness and love. Marley runs back and forth from Grandpa to Mommy. It's hard to decide where to go because they love her equally. Grandpa loves telling stories about Marley. He shares all his memories of how Marley, the small shorkie, stole their hearts. Marley loves getting groomed. Afterwards, she gets dolled up with her purple ribbon. She turns her head and puts her happy face in the air. She has just the right amount of doggy confidence. She poses in the photograph. Another one of her favorite things is waiting for the photographer to capture the right moment. Marley is as adorable as those precious black eyes and nose. She stares at the camera. Her pose speaks volumes. I am Marley, the adorable happy shorkie. Marley is sophisticated and sassy. She struts as she walks. However, she will test the limits sometimes. In the early morning, Marley barks, "Arf!" to get her way. She barks and barks until Mommy says, "Marley, you will not get your way today." Mommy knows best, and even Marley needs discipline sometimes. Marley loves the beautiful beaches and watching the small waves. She loves taking a long stroll along the seashore while the wind blows her beautiful, soft, silky hair. Yet she is cautious. She has that doggy instinct. Although the ocean is beautiful and the water sparkles like a crystal glass, it could be dangerous for a small dog like her. So she stands back as she watches the waves of the sea toss to and fro. But before she leaves, Marley looks back one last time. Her unique paw prints are left behind to identify who has been there. An adorable shorkie named Marley. Then, Marley runs towards Mommy and Grandpa. She hops up and down on her short legs. She expresses her excitement and how much she appreciates them taking her to the beach. Marley loves tearing up toilet paper. After a long day of having fun, she peeps around the tub as she bathes. She is always camera ready. Flick! She is a doggy model, and Marley is not shy around the camera. Marley also loves ice cream. Something about vanilla ice cream makes her lick her dark lips. Delicious, Marley indicates as she barks. She then takes another lick from the cup. She drinks from the cup if she is thirsty. Marley likes coffee and sweet potatoes, and she likes a special type of bread with a touch of butter. Shh, Mommy whispers as the small shorkie sleeps peacefully, because Mommy knows that Marley has more dreams to fulfill. One day, Marley would find love beyond her family. She just might even find a mate and have little puppies of her very own. The end. Thank you for joining me for story time today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this story all about Marley's adventures. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.